Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat organic flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with incredible health benefits. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. Additionally, flax seeds provide a significant amount of dietary fiber, supporting healthy digestion and helping you feel full longer. Their unique lignans also offer antioxidant properties, contributing to overall well-being. To unlock the full nutritional potential of flax seeds, it's essential to grind them. Your body cannot properly digest whole flax seeds, meaning many beneficial nutrients pass through unabsorbed. Use a coffee grinder or a spice grinder to process them into a fine meal right before you plan to eat them. This simple step ensures you get all the amazing omega-3s and fiber. Now that you know how to prepare them, let's explore some delicious ways to incorporate flax seeds into your diet. A popular method is adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax to your morning smoothie or yogurt. You can also sprinkle them over oatmeal, cereal, or even salads for an extra nutritional boost. Don't forget they work wonderfully in baked goods too. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness and potency of your ground flax seeds. Once ground, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For daily intake, a good starting point is 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. Remember to gradually increase your consumption to allow your digestive system to comfortably adjust to the increased fiber.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.